Hey guys, in this video, I will show how to do block blast glitch in 2025 working method. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, open the block blast game on your device. Then tap on the settings icon. Over here, tap replay and then tap replay again and again until you get a 3x3 block. After that, place the 3x3 block in the correct position as shown. Then place the other blocks in the lower portion of the screen. After that, you should get a 5-row block. Place it in the correct position as well. Then the glitch will start automatically and it will begin giving you 2 3x3 blocks and 1 2x3 block repeatedly. So that's basically how to do block blast glitch in 2025 working method. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.